Hey guys, it's me Anaf and welcome back to the channel. Today in this stream I'm going to be coding a Discord bot from scratch using discord.py. So I have planned this stream for about 2 days and I wanted to show you guys how to make a Discord bot with discord.py live, since I was doing the discord.py tutorial and I just made one video. I'm planning on recording other videos too related to the discord.py tutorial series, but I didn't have time, so the only thing I could do was just stream. And the bot that I'm going to be making in this video, I haven't planned yet what I'm going to be making, but I don't want to integrate a database so that the bot has to store data. I don't want this bot to store data, mainly because it's a big hassle and I have Exo which uses MongoDB, but I'm just going to be making a bot which uses some simple commands. So let me make a new channel in my bot test zone. So it's going to be a bot testing channel. How about that? x.help. Does this work over here? Oh no, it works in my server. So x.help. So Exo has a lot of features that need a database, but the features that don't need a database are mainly info, utility, fun, moderation, music, and support. But in this tutorial, in this live stream, I'm going to be making the fun command. Wait, I'm streaming. So I'm going to be making the fun commands, a few of the fun commands, not all of them. So let's do x.help fun. Now I want to make the joke command and the meme command. Random num is really easy, like literally it's really easy, but still I'm going to be making it. 16-bit takes a lot of time. The run command is also really funny. The avatar one is easy, so I'm going to be making about 3 of the fun commands. And then I'm also going to be making some utility commands. So x.help utils. Oh, sorry, x.help utility. How about that? Okay, so I'm going to be making the announcement command, the translate. No, not the translate one. The translate one needs an API and it's a bit hard. I'm going to be making the add role command, I guess, or the text channel command. Let's make these two: create text channel and create a voice channel, and then some of the fun commands. How about that? So do you read chat? Yes, Wacy, what's up? Yeah, I read your chat. I'm literally reading it right now. Yeah, I read the chat. It's not a big problem. Okay, sorry, I was a bit late. I wasn't looking at the chat right now. I was just looking at the screen. He was talking about the live chat. Okay, whatever. So yeah, I'm reading the chat. It's not a problem. So let's get started. I have installed discord.py. So pip3 install discord.py. You can also do it on Windows, but on Windows you only need to say pip install, not pip3. So yeah, I'm streaming right now. Okay, I'm at the terminal. So let's cd to documents folder. I don't know why Ubuntu makes a weird sound if it cannot just go over here. I'll like do this. See this? This is a really weird sound. So let me just make a folder. What should I call it? Discord streaming bot. Just naming it streaming since I'm streaming it right now. So let's do ls cd discord streaming bot, and let's just open Visual Studio Code and clear the console. Okay, I'm ready. Also, I use an extension for making Discord bots, which is basically VS Code. It's kind of like a Discord bot development helper. Also, I like to use one called Tab9, which I don't have enabled right now. Yeah, I have it enabled. So I have already made an application for my bot. So discord.com/developers. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, what's up, Wasi? Have a fun time. Hope you can build your own bot. So I made a YouTube stream bot, just it doesn't stream, it's just a bot. So I'm gonna copy the token and I'm gonna paste it in a file. So okay, so Discord streaming bot, let's make a config.py, a config.py file. I don't want to leak my token, that's why I'm doing this. So token is going to be, this is going to be the token. Okay, now I'm back. Okay, so I made the config.py file. The token is in there, and the token is private because if somebody else has your token, they can run your bot from their own computer. And since this is live, people can run their bot even before I can change the token. That's the main reason I don't want to share it. So I just made a token variable in the config.py. I just did this. Let's make bot.py. So in the config.py, I did something like this: token equals 2, and I pasted in the token. So let's get started making the bot. So import discord, and from discord.ext import, oh my god, my typing, oh my god, import commands. So I'm importing commands and discord. Now let's make the bot object. So bot is going to be commands.bot. so the command prefix, what should I set the prefix? For example, in case of exo, it's x dot. So what should I set the prefix? I'm waiting since the latency is a bit high. So somebody in the chat, please tell me what prefix I should put for the bot. Should I do it like, let's do this. Will this work? Yeah, let me put this one as the prefix. So I'm gonna be putting this one as the prefix. So who joined? I just literally saw someone join the chat. I mean the live stream. So this is the bot object. Now let's make a onReady function. So the onReady function, I've said this in my discord.py tutorial video, the first one, that the onReady function will be triggered whenever the bot is ready after collecting the information from Discord, etc. So let's do @bot.event and async def onReady. The name has to be specific because Discord API works in this way. onReady, and let's colon and print ready. Now let's run the bot.run, and I need to import the token variable from the config folder. So I'm doing from config import, oh my god, import token. This is the thing, token. Oh my god, I almost leaked it. I almost leaked my token. Wow. So token, and now I'm going to be running the bot. So let's do python 3 bot.py. If you're on Windows, you don't need to do python 3, you can just do python bot.py. But since I'm on Ubuntu, I need to do python 3 bot.py. Hit enter, and now, yo, what's up Lunar, how's it going? Hey, welcome to the stream, buddy. So let me go to my bot test zone. So this is the bot test zone, and since the bot is ready, it doesn't have a command right now, it's only ready. So let's make a new command. Now let's make a command. So bot.command. Now do async def ping. I want to make a ping command just to see the latency, because I don't know if my internet is acting weird or not. So let's just do it ctx. And I don't put all of my commands in a single file. I divide them into different cogs. So if you guys have any question about the discord.py library, you can just ask me right now in the stream since I'm live. So async def ping, it takes the ctx object. Now the latency is going to be bot.latency. Okay, and now I need to round it and multiply by 100. So since the latency is going to be in seconds, like it's going to be something like 0.247 blah 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 like this. So I need to round it into something cool. So hey, what's up, Muhammad Mizanur Rahman? How's it going? Okay, so bot latency. Now I need to multiply it by 1,000, not squared, not like use an exponent. So multiply it by 1,000 to round the number. Now I need to round it and keep it 2 digits. So round is the default Python function. So now this is going to be returning something like 347. Oh, what's up, Techno? How's it going? 0.89 ms. It's going to be something like this, since I rounded it and I multiplied the latency by 1,000. So it's a comment, so it's not going to be mattering. Now I'm going to do await ctx.send, why 2 dots, f-string. Bot latency is basically the ping. So let's say you have written a command, and it's the time that takes the bot to just get the info and send you a reply. Like in simple terms, it's basically the amount of time it takes for the bot to communicate with the Discord API. That's the ping. Like when you're playing PUBG or like a game, you say the ping is really high. So that ping means that the amount of time it requires for your game or your software to communicate with the server. In this case, it's the Discord server. So await ctx.send, I'm going to be bolding it. So now the latency is going to be, let's do this, and this is going to be, and then ms, since it's in milliseconds. Now let's run the bot. Let's go to the testing server, and it's online. Oh, my buddy Lunar is also online. Hey, what's up? Okay, so now let's do, what was the prefix? Okay, so ping. So 277 milliseconds. So I rounded it, but I didn't put decimals. So let's do this. So I want to know the decimals. Oh my god. Okay, so let's restart it right now and do the ping command. Now it's 280.42 milliseconds. So that's good. Yeah, I'm on Ubuntu. I use Linux. Most of the time I use Linux for development work. Normally I'd use Windows if I'm doing gaming or something else. But when you're talking about like what, software development, scripting or whatever, then I use Linux because Linux is awesome. Like it's better than Windows in some cases, and it doesn't have a lot of viruses since the code is open source. That's why I use Ubuntu, and it's really easy to access the core features of the operating system, know what's going on in the cornerest function, like you know what I mean. So you can access almost everything using Linux, and Windows doesn't sometimes let you. Can you show us the code you wrote? Yeah, sure. So this is the code right now. I'm importing the Discord module, I'm importing the commands from discord.ext, then I'm importing the token from the config file because I want to hide the token so nobody can use the bot. Lunar here, Lunar there, Lunar everywhere. Okay, that's really fun joke. Yeah, you're over here. Nice job. So then I'm importing the token variable from the config file since I don't want to show anyone the token so they cannot run the bot while I'm streaming and mess up my server, since I gave the bot admin perms so anybody can crash my whole server. Now I have made a bot object with commands.bot, and the command prefix is, this is the command prefix. Now when the bot gets ready, it's going to be printing this, and when I type the ping command, it's going to be doing this. So now let's make a few awesome commands. So let's make a new folder called cogs. Yeah, let's do cogs, and then let's import everything from the cogs file. So I'm going to be making a fun.py file. Then I'm going to be importing os, import os. So for I in os.list_dir /cogs, and now I'm going to be doing bot.load extension. So it's going to be cogs.i. I is going to be 3. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing. So basically the name of the file is going to be something like this, fun.py. So I'm removing the last three letters, so these 3. So then it's going to be like this, and I wanted to import cogs.fun, not fun.py. That's going to be messy. It's going to mess up everything. So let's try, and if there are errors I can search Google, but I don't like to copy code. List dir. Wow, why did I type list dit? List dir. Now it's awesome. Okay, it's working right now. Python 3 bot.py. Oh, bro. Okay, let's do this. Cogs.fun has no setup function. Yes, that's why you cannot import it. So let's make this from at first I have to import Discord. So I need to make a cog, which is an extension, and a lot of people don't understand how cogs work. So a lot of people just dump all of their commands in a single file, but I don't do that. I store all of them in different files. So I'm going to show you guys how cogs work. So cogs are basically your code divided into different modules in case of you're making Discord bot. Now if we're talking about normal programming, that's a module, but if we're talking about making bots, then that's a cog. So the fun.py is a cog, and in this file I'm going to be putting all the fun commands in. I also have, for exo, I have about 10 cogs: moderation, leveling, economy. The economy file has about 2,000 lines of code. It's pretty big, so whatever. So from discord.ext import commands. Now let's make a cog. Oh my god, it's automatically making a cog. Yeah, so that's the reason I use this extension. So it makes the cogs for me, and I don't need to write a lot of code. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cogs manually. Why do you import Discord? Oh, basically I have to import everything from the Discord module, or else I won't be able to like use the Discord functionality, since all of the things are inside the Discord. The commands, the bot, they're all inside the Discord module. So that is the reason I have to import it, so I can access the Discord API. Now let's make a class. If you're familiar with object-oriented programming, basically Python, if you want to make a Discord bot, it's better if you learn object-oriented programming in Python. So let's make a class fun. Now it's going to inherit from the commands.cog class. Now inheritance is a term in object-oriented programming that means you're inheriting all of the properties of a class. Let's say this class has a, let's say this is a class. It has a variable self dot variable is equal to test. Let's say this is a variable. Okay, so let's say this is a variable. Now if I inherit from this class, that means this class can also use this variable, the var variable. Okay, that is inheritance. It's inheriting all the properties of that class. So this class is going to be inheriting from the commands.cog class. So commands.cog. Now we need to make an init function, and an init function in Python is basically whenever this class has been initialized, or an object has been initialized from this class, at that time the init function will be automatically run. So diff underscore init underscore, and it's going to be taking the self and the bot object. So now self.bot is going to be bot, since I'm taking this bot and I'm mapping it to self.bot. So if you want to access the bot variable inside any of the functions, instead of typing bot.user or something, you have to type self.bot.user. otherwise it's going to be showing you an error. So I'm just doing this. You could do a lot of stuff here, but this one is mandatory. That's the reason I'm doing here. So let's make a setup function. So the setup function is needed for all cogs because discord.py will look for the setup function every time it's trying to load a cog. So make def setup yself.bot. Basically, the class and the object oriented way of storing any variables in an object is using self, because you could do bot, but since the bot will be running a lot of instances, that's the reason you use self. So this self means that let's make an object, for example, fun object is equal to fun. Let's make something like that. So the fun object will have a different bot, and the fun object 2 will also have a different bot variable. So let's say this. So the self.bot of this one is maybe different from this one. It's like pretty advanced concept and not for Python beginners, and it's the object-oriented programming feature of Python. So I'm going to be talking about that in a different video, and you can also search that on Google. Like, go over here, object-oriented programming in Python. So add jokes. Yeah, I'm going to be adding jokes. So you guys can watch this by Tech with Tim, also Telusco, CS Dojo, but mainly I recommend this one by Corey Schaefer. This guy teaches object-oriented programming in a really awesome way. So let's go over here and make a new setup, and the setup is going to be taking a bot. Is it bot? I forgot. Discord.py cog example. I forgot. Is it a bot cog? Yeah, so I forgot how the setup function is made, so I need to make it setup function. Discord.py. Now I don't need to search Google. I can just do this. Cog. Wait. Commands dot bot. Yeah, so it takes a bot. It takes a bot instance. So bot dot add cog. Was it like this? Bot dot extension. Yeah, bot dot add cog. So it's like this. Now I'm going to be initializing the fun class, and since it requires a bot, when you're doing object-oriented programming, never count self as a variable. It has to be there. That's just a rule. But you should never count the self variable. So I'm going to be only giving the bot variable. So this is the parameter, the bot parameter. So this setup is going to be giving it a bot parameter, and then the bot parameter will be mapped to the self.bot variable. So what is cogs? Cogs is basically like, let's say you have the bot.py file. Now all of the commands can be like put inside this one file, but it's really bad to do that, since it's better to keep the code clean and divide all of the commands to different files. So the fun.py is a cog, and I have divided all of the commands according to their genre in different files. So these files are called cogs. So all of the fun commands are going to be in this cog, all of the moderation commands going to be in another cog, and I'm going to be keeping this main file, the bot.py file, as short as I can, and only a few commands in there. So for the sake of keeping your code clean and also easily manageable, cogs are necessary. Like, it's not mandatory. You can also write all of your code over here and like make this one file contain 10,000 lines. That's okay, but it's not recommended. That's why I use cogs all the time. So let's make a new command, and when I do commands in the bot.py file, I do bot.command, but when you're using cogs, you have to use @commands.command, not bot.command. That would literally mess it up. Like, clearly the commands won't work. So let's do jokes, and since my friend asked me in the chat to make jokes. Let me make a joke API. I need a joke API. So let's take joke API. I forgot the API for jokes. I forgot. I need to go to Exo's repository. By the way, this is a private repository, so this is private, but I'm going to be getting the link to the API. I forgot the link. I'm an idiot. Okay, so joke is going to be in where are the jokes? The official joke appspot.com. Yeah, this is the link. Now if I go over here, it's going to be giving me a joke. So these are the two lines that I'm going to be using, the setup and the punchline. So the setup is just the question that you're asking a person. Make meme command. Okay, I'm going to be teaching Python in a later series because I'm a bit busy, and meme commands are coming. Okay, in the beginning of the stream, I've said that I'm going to be making a few of Exo's fun commands, and one of them is going to be meme, and the other is going to be the joke. So joke and meme commands. Okay, thank you, Luna, for reminding me about the meme command. I almost forgot. Sorry, I think I hit my mic. So add commands. So this is the API. Now I need to use AIO HTTP. So basically, AIO HTTP is a module that allows you to request HTTP pages or go to links using the Python script and call APIs. But a lot of people use requests for it. But AIO HTTP is basically an asynchronous version of request. And by asynchronous, I mean that a lot of functions can run simultaneously. So for example, if one person is using the command, it's not going to be blocking the whole bot. They're going to be running side by side. So you guys can learn about asynchronous programming and concurrency. Like, just search it on Google. I'm not Wikipedia, but I can answer a few questions. So async def joke. What the hell? Oh, I pressed a hotkey. My bad. So joke. Now, when you're using a cog, you need to always include self in all functions. So self and CTX. Okay? You always have to include self when you're making a cog. And the extension that I use for, making everything so awesome, like commands.bot.extension. Like, this is an awesome extension. It makes, or like commands.bot, like command. This can make a new command for you, and the extension I like to use is called VS Code. This is the extension I use. It's enabled. It adds some snippets. You can just type this and this whole thing is going to be created. So this is awesome. So now let's make the joke command, and I need to import AIO HTTP. So async. Since it's an asynchronous function, I'm going to be using async with AIO HTTP dot client session as session. What was the command? I forgot. I forgot about it. Where did my GitHub link go? GitHub/exobot/fun.py. I forgot the AIO HTTP function. It happens a lot. You keep forgetting things, but that doesn't mean I copy code. Await fetch. Oh my god, I forgot that. Await fetch, and then I load the JSON file. I forgot. Okay, so I need to at least. So the data is going to be. Let's say the data is going to be await. Since it's async, I need to use await fetch. No, not this. So what does fetch take? I forgot again. What am I doing with my life? It's so embarrassing that I keep forgetting. I just saw it 10 seconds ago and I forgot. Await fetch session. Oh, that's the thing. So I import AIO HTTP. This is the fetch function. Session.get URL. this is the thing. I forgot that I made a fetch function. So this is a function I made myself for fetching the data. So this is a self-defined function. So session.get await session.get. So it's not going to fetch. So data is going to be await session.get. So the URL is going to be this. Now data again will be data.read. Okay, so let's import JSON. Since I'm going to be working with APIs, I'm going to import JSON. Now say the data is going to be, I don't want to make new variables because making new variables will take more space in memory. That's why I'm using the same variable over and over again, and I'm just switching the data, but the variable is the same. That's why it's going to be taking less memory than creating 10 other variables. So json.loads data. So for now, let's just ctx.send data, await ctx.send data. For now, let's just do this. So command, the frick, how the hell did I even load it? Command extension. What is this? Did I mess up on something? How did I even load it? I forgot how to exobot. Yeah, I forgot how to load the cog. Let me see. I have to reference my own code since I forgot this. I forgot this. This. What? This is the thing. For if file name ends with .py. Sorry guys, I keep forgetting things. If I dot ends with, so it's saying that, like, let's say I is basically going to be something like this, fun.py. So if I ends with this, then it's going to be working .py. Okay, so then it's going to be working. Let's remove this. Okay, let's just do this. Python3 bot.py. I guess the bot will be working now. So I'm just going to be testing the API now. I'm not going to be sending a joke. I'm just going to be testing the API. Now let's do joke. Did it mess up on something? Attribute error a exit. This is the method. AE exit, that means that this is a method that's returning me the session object. It took me a long time to learn how to read errors. Does this work right now? Okay, so this is awaited. So it's saying that client response, which is session dot read, was never awaited. That means this was never awaited. That's the problem. Like, making software bot is really big hassle, so sorry for any inconvenience. And yeah, so this is the API query. So the setup is going to be, what do you call an old snowman? Punchline, water. Okay, that was a funny joke. Sorry for that. So about that, so now I'm going to be making an embed. Let's say embed is going to be discord.embed. So this is the reason I imported Discord, because I'm going to be using the embed object of Discord. So title is going to be joke, color is going to be discord.color.green. Yeah, now let's going to be okay, only 2 people are watching. Yeah, so this is it mainly. And description is going to be, yeah, so description is going to be an f string. Okay, yeah, so let's do, now in the f string I'm going to be using data, and it's going to be the, what was it, setup. Setup is basically the question. So okay, so only 2 people are watching. So who is watching right now? I really don't know. Setup, then %n. Now how do you even make the code thingy, like the hidden things? Let's do this. Does this hide it? Yeah, this is the thing. So this is how it is hidden. Now let's use an F string. And what was the thingy? Punchline. A thingy. Okay. Punchline. How about that? I'm real tired. Okay. Let's do this. And joke. Oh, I forgot to send the embed. Embed equals to embed. You have to be really careful while making things. So embed is going to be the embed. Now let's do joke. Bam. What do you call a girl between two posts? A knit. I don't get it. I don't get it, this joke. A new joke? It works, bro. Yeah, man, it works. Hey, thanks, man. I'm really happy that it works for you too. And don't copy code. Please. The biggest mistake new programmers make is that they know less, but they want to make big things from the start. Okay, so what do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. Okay, that's a funny joke. So the joke command is working, and I bet you guys are using cogs, whatever. So joke command is working. Now let's make, what did Lunar say? A meme command. So the meme command, and I'm going to be using the meme API. Wholesome memes. So the meme API.herokuapp.com. I'm going to be like, you guys can just go to this link. I'm going to be leaving it in the chat. And this API gives you good memes. You can like mention subreddit. This basically scrapes memes from Reddit. So let's go to reddit.com. And like literally I just searched best meme subreddit. I just take the name, paste it here. So let's go back. I want to use wholesome memes. This is what I want to use. So let me copy the link and let's make @commands.command async def meme self ctx. Oh, now let's do async with aio http dot. Let's just copy it. I don't want to waste time writing it again. You can copy your own code. So this is your data. Why did I open Thundermail? Bro, you have some problem with your internet. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I have really bad internet. That's a thing. I have such a bad internet connection. Let me close it. Oh no. I don't want it to open my email. I have some things that I don't want to reveal to you guys. Okay, so this is the meme command. Now I want to make an embed. Embed is going to be discord.embed. Let me just copy this. I really just want to write this over and over again. So embed is going to be discord.embed. Title is going to be the title. So what responses does it send? So the title and what does this do? And GT. So I need to parse the title. Since what did I even have? Parse HTML special characters Python. So I need to parse the characters kind of like this. So Python 3.4 plus. Beautiful soap. Beautiful soup. W3 lib HTML. What can I do over here? And GB. No, that doesn't work. So I really don't need to parse it. Let's get new meme. Yeah, it says birthday. So let me just use title.capitalize. So data title dot capitalize. Capitalize color is going to be green. Now for now I'm going to be putting it blue. Wow. Now the description, I'm not going to be putting a description, since I'm going to be putting an image meme. So embed dot set image. URL is going to be data and image URL. Okay, so URL. Yeah, I can do this. I can also use NSFW, but I don't know. Should I? No, I'm not going to be doing this. Are these Python websites? Which ones? These aren't. I don't know if these are Python websites. Let me take a look at Wapalizer. I really don't know. But basically, I'm using Python for my bot, nothing else. Sorry. So let's start the bot again, restarting it. So how long has the stream been going? Let me check OBS. It's been going for 41 minutes. So the bot's ready right now. Let me just do meme. Does this even work? What? Discord.embed. I'm going crazy. So let's do this. Meme. And then, yeah, it's going to be working now. So the API is a bit slow. Yeah, lemao discord.embed. So why isn't it working? Is there a problem with the API? It is not showing any errors. What's the issue with the bot? I mean, the API is working fine. Oh, wait. Why do I keep opening weird stuff? Okay, so for some reason the meme is not being sent. Is it a problem with this? I don't even send the embed. That's the issue. I don't even do ctx.send. Wow. I forgot to type ctx.send. Okay, time travel is invented. Yes, I can relieve best moments with my Xbox. God, please, we don't need mosquitoes. We don't need mosquitoes as insects. Wow. So what do you call a dictionary on drugs? High definition. A what? I don't get it. Okay, so what commands should I make now? Please tell me in the in the YouTube chat, not the Discord. So what commands should I make? Moderation? Or what? Hangman? Hangman is going to be taking a lot of time. I can't make Hangman right now. Let me check the x.discord. X. Moderation. I'm sorry, but Hangman is going to be taking me like what? 2 hours? Moderation. Okay, so let's do some moderation. X.help. Moderation. So kick, ban, unban, and warn. Let's make some moderation commands. Why not? Well, thanks. Thanks for giving me the idea, Mohammed Mizan Rahman. Let's get started with the moderation commands. So let's make moderation.py. Levels is going to be requiring me a database, and at the start of the stream I have said that I'm not going to be making any commands that require a database, because that's going to be taking me a lot of time. Okay, and setting up MongoDB is literally a mess. Okay, so I might do it in a later video, but for now I have planned only making commands that don't require levels. Now let's make a cog extension. This is an awesome cog. Start with easy coding. Yeah, like, are you just telling that to Lunar? Because he needs to listen. I know I like to use databases, like Exo is using a database, it's using MongoDB. But for now, in this video, I don't want to use the database, so let's do moderation.py. So this is the cog. Really, man, I don't want it to send a message. Okay, so this is the reason why I use this extension. So other commands dot command facing def kick. So who can I try to kick command on? Should I try this on Lunar? I know, I'm not going to be trying it with Lunar. Okay, he's such a nice guy. I can kick the... What should I even kick? YouTube test bot? Yeah, I can kick that. So I'm going to be using that bot. So let's do kick self ctx. Member is going to be discord.member, not user. Since I only want the member object, then I'm going to be taking reason equals to none, and I'm setting the default value of member to be none, because if it's none, then I can say that who the hell should I kick? The bot's going to be saying something like that. So if member pass, just putting it as a placeholder, else await ctx dot send f string. So this is going to be ctx dot message dot author, since I want his name. Who do you want me to kick? Now let's do this. I'm just gonna be putting it pass, something like that. So let's load this and do this. So why the hell should I kick EXO? I'm not out of my mind. And please send the messages in the YouTube chat, because I'm not going to be checking like the Discord a lot. So kick. Okay, it's working. So it's telling me who they want to kick, something like that. Okay, so that's awesome. Now let's do, and I want to DM the user. No, that's complicated. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to be making it simple but feature packed. So await member dot kick reason is going to be reason. Okay, so await ctx dot send kicked an f string. Then let's make it bold. Member, oh sorry, member. Okay, so let's try to kick someone. Okay, let's do kick @YouTube test bot. What's the issue? Missing permissions. Does the bot even have permissions? YouTube stream bot. I need to put it above here. So let's just kick it. Oh my god. Let's try to kick it. Member not found. Why is the member not found? Kick YouTube. Kick @YouTube test bot. Okay, yeah, now it's working. I messed up on the thing. So kick the YouTube test bot. You see it's gone. And let's check the audit log. Oh, streamer mode enabled. What a bummer. Okay, so it's been kicked. Now let's do ban. Ban is basically the same. I'm just gonna copy this because I don't want to waste my time. Time is such a valuable thing. Ban. Change it to ban. Member.ban. This. Banned. Well, that's basically the same thing. Let me add the bot again. Let's go to Discord developers. Let's go over here. Let's YouTube test bot. Auth2 bot. Give it admin perms. Copy. let me go over here and let's invite the bot to the bot zone again to test the ban command. I hate CAPTCHA. Okay, so it's here. Now let's do ban YouTube test bot. Command ban not found. Oh, I didn't restart the bot. So let's ban again. YouTube test bot. Yeah, it's ready. Banned. Let's check the bans. Yeah, YouTube test bot has been banned. So let's just revoke the ban. Zenbot, yeah, it should be banned. I really don't need it. There's a good cause for it. And so the ban command's ready. Basically, the only two needed moderation commands, and I forgot how to do the unban command, but I did it. How the hell did I even do it? Let me check. Sometimes I need reference to my own code because I forgot how I wrote it. Almost all programmers have this issue. So you guys are not going to be finding this in this link because it's private repository. So moderation. What was the ban command? It's a bit complicated, but really you're just getting ban members from CDX or guild.mems, and then per ban entry in ban members user, if user.name equals to member name and member discriminator, unbanned user. Yeah, that's easy. I forgot how to do it, so basically that's the issue. Let's do unban. Unban is basically the same. Let's just copy the ban command, paste it in, go over here, unban. So unbanned. Why is it a Y? Who wants me to unban? Okay, so let's unban the user. So what was that again? Okay, so the banned member. So I need to take banned. Can you do auto role management? That's gonna be taking me some time. I'm sorry, I don't think I can do it, but well, thanks for the recommendation. I guess I may plan a video on doing auto role management. Who knows? Okay, so banned members are going to be ctx.guild.bans. Yeah, and then member name discriminator. Yeah, it's going to be something like that. Is there a problem with my internet connection? What happened to the stream? So okay, so yeah, they may experience some buffering. Okay, not a big problem for that. Let's just get the member discriminator. Member discriminator is going to be member. What the hell was that command again? I keep forgetting the unban command. Member.split, right? Yeah, it's member.split. Was it a discord.member? Yeah, it's going to be member is equal to none. I need to set the parameters. So member equals to none. Member.split. There are net problems. Yeah, sorry. I have such a bad internet connection. I mean, like, I can't do anything about it. Sorry about that. So member.split. Dang it. So for I in banned members, for user, right? Is this a user? Yeah, so user is going to be, so user is going to be I.user. So if do economy on next video, please, lol or hangman. Economy. You guys want to see my economy code? You guys asked for it. It's really big. Economy.py. So it's starting over here. Go down, go down, go down. The economy.py is really big. It's so big. It took me a week to make this whole file. The economy.py, like the economy system, is really complicated. How big is this? I only thought this was 900 lines of code. It's about 2,000 lines of code. Okay, so recording and explaining you guys the economy.py command. OMG, okay, no need. Okay, yeah, this is really big. The economy system is really big. So if user.name user.discriminator equals to member name member discriminator await ctx.guild.unban unban user. How about that? So if wasn't an if, oh, indentation problem. Okay, so then await ctx.send. That's not a wanted. Did I do this even? Unban. Yeah, just send that. Okay, that's basically easy. So I wanted to return because I'm trying to return how long are you in front of computer every day. 7 hours, I guess. Like mainly because exams are over. I had exams, like exams were finished the day before yesterday, so I use the computer a lot. But if I have a lot of studies or exam, 2 hours every day, I guess. Well, normally 6 to 7 hours. So then I want to return over here because or else it's going to be unbanning almost every member because if so I want to return or else it's still going to iterate through the loop. Yeah, let's unban him. I mean unban the bot. So I banned the test bot. Let's just copy this. Now let me, oh my god, someone is literally, oh, a mosquito spray. Like in the cantonment, in the militaries, they spray, like they have such big machines that spray mosquito sprays so that the mosquitoes die, and that's why it makes such a bad sound. It's really loud outside. And ban. I hope this works. Guild.bans was never awaited. Await. Oh, that's a method. Shoot, I forgot, that's a method. It's going to be returning a trace malloc. Now let's unban. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys if this is really loud. Yeah, this is really loud. It's right outside my house, so I can't do anything about it. Try to unban. The heck, I awaited it. I awaited it. I forgot to save the code. Oh my shit. Let's unban it. I guess I've saved the code. Did the unban work? For I in discriminator, I should print the print. I should print this. Then I should print this. User.name. I want to print those just to see. This is called debugging, that you're trying to find a bug, why it's not working. Tube test bot hashtag. So the member is going to be, oh, I did put a member, didn't I? Yeah, unban then the member. And why isn't it working? You really don't need to give me your code. I don't like sharing code because you don't learn from it. Being a programmer doesn't mean you have to learn the syntax. It means you need to learn to solve problems. So, where are those members? Why isn't even member working? So if member, I give a member name, I should print member. Oh, not this member, the other member, like the variable. So I'm going to be stopping the stream right after this one. Maybe I may do something else. What the hell? Print member. Okay, so stop it. I want to do this. Member. Now let's run the code. Now let's see what happens, and let's do it. Okay. Member data. I want to print member data. Member data 0 and member data 1, because mainly all arrays start at 0. Why is the stream so slow? Okay, so now let's print this, because mainly I want to print them. You don't have permissions, Lunar. It's giving me permission errors. Okay, so where are those? Ah, okay, I got it. So the unban command is giving me some issues. Member.split, right? Yeah, what's up? What is it? Sometimes my eyes don't work. I'm splitting it. Okay, what is wrong? I know I didn't put there. I tried it a different way. I tried it in a different way, man. I split the data, then I used indexes. I did put it there before, but it's not working. That's why I'm doing it in a different way. Maybe I'm gonna do the unban command later. For now, let's just copy this, because I forgot the code. I mean, I literally keep forgetting code all the time. So now I'm just gonna be like doing this. This is basically the thing that I'm going to be doing. I really feel bad just because I'm copying my own code. But at least I know what's the issue. No, I don't know the issue. So I split it, but then why the hell is this not working? Okay, let's do this. Still, it's not unbanning. Oh, sorry. My bad. Oh, sorry, my bad. Holy frick. I know the issue. Yo, your voice is deeper. Hey, welcome, Sorry Ninja. My god, guys, I know what's the problem. I didn't even ban the bot. My code was literally working, like the code before. It was literally working. I forgot that I banned the bot. Oh my, holy cow. This is so embarrassing. I forgot that I didn't ban the bot. At first, I know. Oh, what's up, Shoaib? I know you're Shoaib. Whatever. Okay, so, whoa. CAPTCHA being weird. So, let me solve the CAPTCHA. I hate CAPTCHAs. That's why I don't like to solve them. So, at first I need to ban it. Then I need to unban it. I'm a stupid idiot. Ban @YouTube. @unban. I didn't even unban. I didn't even ban it before. YouTube. Oh my god. YouTube test You don't have perms. 6224. Bam. You see, it was unbanned. The main reason was that the bot wasn't even banned. Then if it wasn't even banned, then how the hell will it be unbanned? You know what I'm saying? If it isn't even banned in the first place, how can the bot unban it? That's the main thing. Yeah, so the bitrate is working fine. What did I set the bitrate to? Oh, sorry, bro. 400 kilobits per second. Okay, so that's a healthy amount of bitrate. So now what should I do? I did 5 commands. Oh no, 6 commands. 3 moderation, 2 fun commands, and a ping command. So what should I do now? I'm just gonna go and drink some water. Hey, what's up, YC Gamer? So what should I make now? I need some ideas since I ran out. Let me just check some more fun commands. I forgot what commands Exo has, even though I made it. How about I make the avatar command? Will I play Arsenal? Will I play Arsenal with you almost every day? No, not stream. Translate command. Translate command will take me a long time since I need to access the Google Translate API. Yeah, I know it's going to be good, but I may have a lot of issues. And the first time I made the translate command, it took me 2 days. 16-bit is more harder than Arsenal. You wanna see the code for 16-bit? You wanna see it? 16-bit, okay. So 16-bit has the hex to RGB. I'm using the 3D Pythagorean formula. Then I'm using functools and all location. I'm using the color diff function. And then where did the 16-bit go? I needed to map all of the commands. I mean, not the commands, all of the RGB thingies. Now it will take some time. It's using bytes.io to convert the image to binary to bytes, and then I'm using pillow and image to open whatever, then using lambda. It's really a lot of things. So what else can I do? The avatar command, like, it's just going to be returning you the avatar. You want that? Or like the roast command? How about the roast command? I can't do avatar. Avatar is easy. Let me just do it. Avatar is going to take me how long? A minute. Edit commands. Dot command. Async def. Avatar. Self CTX. Arguments now. Let's do embed is equal to discord.embed. It's not going to be having any colors. Urban search. So I need the urban search API. So urban search API. Which one did I even use? I forgot what API I used. I mean, oh my god. Urban search. Urban search. Urban scraper. So I used urban scraper and plus word.lower. This was the link. It's on Heroku, so it takes. Okay, so let's say oof. Not this. Oof. Yeah, okay, I can do this. So it's going to be easy. It isn't going to take that much time. So let me just finish the avatar first. The avatar isn't actually like a really big thing. Embed dot set image ctx URL is going to be ctx dot message dot author dot avatar URL. So await ctx dot send embed equals to embed. So this won't take long. The embed commands, like the avatar command, is easy. I can do avatar. Is the bot ready? Avatar. Yeah, it sent me mine. So this is easy, and then I can. Now let's make the urban search command. So the urban search, what's the link? Define, right? So let's do urban search. Commands.command. Yes, async def urban self ctx word. Oh, sorry. Okay, word. So async with AIO HTTP dot client session as session data equal is going to be await session dot get. Okay, session session dot get plus the word dot lower. So I'm lowering it. Then let me just do data equals to await data dot read. Then the JSON is going to be data is going to be JSON dot loads data. Now I want to. Now let's see what kind of data I'm going to be getting. Let's make a new embed. Embed is going to be discord.embed. Now let's do title is going to be urban search for f string. Now what am I going to be getting? Term. Okay, so term and capitalize. Data term dot capitalize. Wanna invite me to that server? Really, man? Invite. You're going to be starting a mess because I know you. Okay, whatever. So I got the term, which is I capitalized it. It's youth. Then what else did I do in my urban dictionary? Like, I want to include some things. Definition. So I'm going to be making a new thing. Embed dot add field. Name is going to be definition. Value is going to be data definition, right? Definition. Definition dot capitalize. And then inline is going to be false. Same thing, just copy it. Example is going to be example. Okay, so now embed dot set footer. Text is going to be requested by capital R. Requested by ctx dot message dot author. Okay, did I invite you? Okay, you want the invite link? You guys can get the invite link on my website. Like, oh sorry, not the website. I was going to invite you to the server. I want you to hit and use copy button, right? Nice. So let me send you the invite link in the DM, and I'm gonna be coming right back. Yeah, I make softwares too. Let me send you the link. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm back. Meme, you guys can try the memes. Yeah, I'm just going to be using the bot. Okay, Manny Commando, I sent you the server link. Okay, so you can join if you want to. Yeah. Okay, so now let's send the embed await ctx.send embed equals to embed equals to embed. Now let's do this. Hope I don't have any syntax errors. Urban oof. What? Are you kidding me? That wasn't an F string. I forgot about that. Sorry guys. I messed up on this one. Yeah, I make software. Yeah, YC Gamer, I make software. I have my own website. You can go and check it out. Here's link. I do some tutorials there, like installing a few things. Like, also I have Exo's website on the subdomain. Exo's website. This is my website, my personal one. I have made like 2 posts right now. Oh my god, my phone fell down. So this is the how to host PHP website with Apache server on Ubuntu. You can find it over here. You can also go to the home page. You can also click over here like, can you make hacks for Arsenal? I can't make hacks because I don't know Lua, and Roblox runs on Lua, so I need to learn Lua before I can make hacks. Sorry, but not gonna happen. I can't make Lua hacks. So now let's do urban oof. Bam. So hey Lunar buddy, are you over here? The urban search is complete. You guys, you can just come here. Oh, also I'm going to be leaving the source code to a link in the description below, so you can check it out after I finish the stream. Sorry, I finished HTML. Hey, nice job, buddy. Little bro, you have finished HTML. Now it's time to learn something new, which is called Python. And one day, you're going to be making Discord bot live streams just like me. Okay. So the urban command is over. Oh yes. So wait, Luna, I found the issue. Let's say try this. If I try these, except key error, await ctx.send, term not found, word dot capitalize, term not found. Okay, so nice. Start Python, and I'm going to be sending you some link to good tutorials in the description below. And I'm not the description. Like, if you want to learn Python, you can just go to Learn Python by Mosh. Like, this guy called Mosh, he is awesome. Like, this guy, Python tutorial, Python for beginners, full course. If you want to learn Python, I suggest you learn it from him. So yeah, yikes. Now let's do urban yo. No term found yo. Okay, so nice, this is working. Hey, YC, why are you leaving? Don't leave me. Don't leave us. So what command should I make now? This is going to be the last one because I have to stop the stream because I have work, and it's been almost 1 hour and 20 minutes. Excuse me for that. Sorry. So what command should I make now? After finishing this command, which I'm going to be making now, I'm going to stop the stream. So okay, so nobody's here. Oh, one person is here. Okay, so embed.set footer. Okay, so everybody left. Why? Okay, so there's nobody's here. I'm going to stop the stream, and if you're watching later when I'm not streaming, if you're like watching it after a few days, well, Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy your day. And before you leave, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also, check out my bot, Exo. I've worked hard on it, and I think, not me, this bot deserves some usage. So, please help me by using this bot. Also, support me on Patreon. The link will be in the description below for my Patreon, so you guys can check it out. So, I hope to see you guys next time. Peace out.